Malawi Brief.
Lelo pa 29 January 2026, mfumu ya mzinda wa Blantyre a Jomo Osman komanso a Nduna oyang'anira za umoyo amadaliso Baloyi ali ku Queen Elizabeth Hospital kumeneku akuyendera ntchito zina zimene zikuchitika pa chipatalapa, ndipo zambiri zili mu video iyi.
Ndithameye akugwirira ntchito kunoku kuchipatala kuno mmene mwana atavala ngati dokotala Dr. Jomo kunoko ndikuti tione kuti chipangako bwanji.
In my life, it's a magnetic imaging. It uses magnet. It's a strong magnet, 1.5 Tesla. So safety is paramount. So as we enter, we make sure that metals we are not allowed inside, outside, even inside the body. It can cause accident and it can spoil everything. So please, for those of us who enter inside, we should make sure we don't have any metal, even inside or outside. Right. So this is the entry. As we Yes. Okay, for now, we can enter with everything. But as the time we enter in the actual room, then when the metals so
it's for safety. I think you can go this
Okay. Yeah. So, Bwana, sit the other side.
All right.
Manjara.
So you proceed with
one thing about that.
Yes.
So I think, as the head of department already explained,
it's magnetic. So we might request some of you to stand outside so that we take this.
Malini is of yourself?
Support, but in everything is about motivation. A guy who has a kilo might splash. Motivate like the way I want. But doctors are motivate. Now, you want to unakwenda moja mpaka kuzungumzia kwa kadri abudaka so hiyo swali kuna mambo bila kuangalia kuweza motivation ya what mafana akamabila ni basi ndio anduna hata hapo hapo sina kazi gani
if indeed people can be motivated, it means we're going to use the human resource to get to that is one of the priorities that has the ministry. And I'm happy to give you at the hospital level, you are able to do that. We need to maintain the people that have capacity.
Madam, so let's so it's as usual akupita kunja ngani yake yeye ya bila Malawi mtakazungi matenda japo kuja na wachea Malawi na ngera kwanza wao kitongoze kwa mimi sasa hivi mtendeni andole mira au ndio wa bila kazi na mimi zile ukabona maodi ila haki toli gango wao ile zola wewe kazi zile zote mzioni alipoenda ajaza banga zikatokea kunkuno bige yibu ngana benyambi wa Mungu nyoso akena ngake ndakule ngati mambo ya Mungu mukaro wa Mungu sana yibu yiga ngombe hizi sababu zile zote wao mbeleza tena oso iklati chilai kitoso mambo kama bige ukao asante karibu
This side, you have to look this side. Jambo la jimoza mayangu na naso.
Okay, that's fine. How can I get it?
So they said you send them.
Huh?
So that I know that.
Wow.
Azagalia. He's the people's president.
Passou a pouco, por uma hora aqui, oh.
From one of the boys, yes. Then your madam boy.
Okay, country the ranch you the how many
of the challenge that there are some of staffs who are working but they don't know their job. It's our plea to you, Honorable Minister, to help us, to tell these people to realize that they are here not by force, but they choose to be innocent. And I, as the city father, I will not sit down with those people suffering. We are coming to government institution. And I want to take it like a warning in behalf of you, Honorable Minister. In Branta, everyone who's working in government institution, he or she need to realize that they need to serve. Government institution is not for brain, it's for work. And as the city father, I want my people to be safe. So, I'm promising you, Honorable Minister, I think some of the people saw me on the social media when I went to my office and tell those who are coming late to go back. I will also go around in the government institution to do so to make them wake up and know that they need to serve. I know a lot of people are asking why, Jomo, you are doing this. This is not part of it. No, it's my job because I am the city father. I need to look after my people. So, Honorable Minister, I want to assure you, with your support, Branta are going to be a bigger city again. When we are talking about bigger city, we are talking about good hospitals, whatever we have. That's what we call bigger city. And we want also to thank Global Funding for supporting that they are doing to Branta City. They are doing a lot. It's not all about things. We have seen what is happening there. We have saw some good things that is happening. It's what we need. Now it's up to us. Are we looking after those facilities? It's up to us. So it's our plea also to ask those who are in control to take care of the things, to look after them, because government is spending a lot of millions doing the same job. So we want to change our mindset. We need to think and take care about what we have. This few remarks honor to this.